So Megan, you were asking about the cards, right? So there's this little quick start guide that starts it off, right? And you can kind of go through that, but I'm just going to walk you through it since you're here. But it has all the instructions on it. So if you want to do it, do you want to do it kind of, sure, yeah, woo-woo, we'll go woo-woo.
Okay.
Okay, so I know, woo-woo's fun, I know you like it, so I chose. Okay, so you can say, what card would most help me practice feeling good today? What is yeah, exactly. Or you can pick by color.
Okay.
Or you can pick by what.
Okay.
You want to do it just randomly?
I want to just pick it, right?
Okay.
Okay. What card would help me practice feeling good today?
Ah, good card.
Compassion.
Compassion. So all the cards are matched up as best as possible. The color matches the emotion. Right?
Okay.
So even if you think about just the color, you can focus on this color today and kind of think of the word compassion, think of that,
I like the color, really does match.
Good. And then you're just simply practicing the card. So the card will tell you a little bit about what compassion is, right? It's the recognition of another suffering combined with the desire to alleviate it, right? And then each little segment is a mini practice. So each of these is a little meditation on compassion, meditation on love, meditation on awe, right?
Okay.
So you'll see here, you're just gonna kind of walk through the card and use it as a meditation. So like imagine you're in the grocery store and you're at the post office, perfect place. You're at the post office and you're like, oh, I have 3 minutes to wait in this line. You can pull out the cards and do that same thing and practice.
That's a good idea.
Basically being able to meditate on the go.
You can take it with you.
You can take it with you. So that's why they're in these little bags, right? So that you can take it with you and you can really have something that helps you essentially take care of your emotions, self-regulate.
That's so cool.
Mm-hmm. And then I really like doing it like that. I like being able to be like, what should I practice today? And letting it be kind of magic-y. Or you can simply choose one emotion and practice it for the whole week, right? Like let's say you're really working on peace or serenity. You can be like, this week I'm going to practice serenity over and over until I can do it without the card. So they're little flashcards, just like any study. You do it until you're like, I don't need the flashcards. So now, like for instance, I can practice serenity without using the card, right? I can use my mind and evoke peace, right? So that's kind of the idea. So you can practice compassion until you feel like you're like, got it. Or you can mix it up.
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
What about self-compassion?
Perfect. So the good thing about care is that when we're directing it out, we're also directing it in. Our brains are kind of processing it as though it's happening to us as well. So you can direct it out or in, and it's still going to do the same thing. So like right now, if you imagine your son and you think of directing that care and compassion towards him, you can practice. Let's see which one. Right? Each one, if you practice.
Oh, I love one.
Exactly. So this card especially has a
challenging part of yourself. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
All right, and then imagine that practice.
Yeah.
So let's do it for just a second. So pick whichever part of the card you want to do, and we'll just practice it out loud.
Okay.
Okay. So you can close your eyes for a moment. If you're in public, you can just look down, right? Or just look down and it'll feel the same.
Sounds good.
Cool.
Yes.